Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you are all are fine and doing well. So guys, today I got Yamaha 2064. This is the model. Okay guys, so 2064. We'll just switch it on now. See. So friends, this is normally working. This is working. I already given connection. I have already given the input 5 and output speaker also connected. Only 2 speakers have connected, but all 5 speakers are working fine. But the customer want to fix Bluetooth device inside because he want to run on the Bluetooth device. So we'll check how to fix Bluetooth in this. So let's open the box and we'll install one Bluetooth device. Just keep watching my video, guys. So as you know, there is no Bluetooth installed in this. This is an old model. So now we'll fix one new Bluetooth device in this. So we'll put it up first. It's on now. We'll put it up first. So anyhow, we had to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, some 3, 4 screws. So we'll just unscrew this one. So guys, I have already unscrewed this one. So let's open the cover. So now friends, there is no Bluetooth inside, so we need to fix one new Bluetooth. This is the Bluetooth device. So this is a new Bluetooth device. So this device will fix it. This is the Bluetooth device, wireless. So we'll fix this in such a way that, and there is a supply we have to get 5 volt. So I will show you from where to take 5 volt DC supply from the board only, and from there only we can take it and install supply to this wireless Bluetooth. So I will show you. Just keep watching my video, friends. So friends, I'll just show you. We need the adapter for this one, female USB, so that we can give supply. So I already connected here. So this is plus, this is minus. This will go inside, right? So this will be going to the supply line, right? I'll just show you from where to take. And one more thing, then this is the output from the Bluetooth. This is the output from the Bluetooth. Stereo EP should go inside, and just these two wire, one is ground, left and right. So we'll give this connection to the input number A here, back side, this one. So we'll give input but from back here inside we'll give this connection. I'll just show you guys. Just keep watching my video. See friends, it's on now. So I'll show you from where to take 5 volt. Pin number 1 here, pin number 1 is positive and pin number 4 is negative. See, you can see 5 volt over here. See 5 volt. Only from this only you can take it. Other also having 5 volt plus, but this is good for the Bluetooth. So better to take this 5 volt, right friends? So pin number 4 and pin number 1. So pin number 1 is positive, pin number 4 is negative. So you can see 5 volt. So from here we will take 5 volt DC supply line to the our wireless. This is the wireless Bluetooth. So these two wire will connect to the supply line over here. So we'll put it off first. So friends, we have already given connection 5 volt DC supply to Bluetooth wireless device. So now we'll put it on and we'll check. This should be light should illuminate over here. See guys. So it means Bluetooth is on. So now the next thing is we have to give the connection output line to the pin number 6. Now see, Bluetooth is on now. So now we'll go connection. This 3 wire will go. One is ground, right and left. Okay friends, so we'll give connection here inside of this. For that, just disconnect this strip. There is a place over here, so we'll work from here. So we'll start work from here inside. So I'll show you. I'll just show you friends. See here inside. This is the audio input 6 over here. This one. So now we will give that output of Bluetooth device here, audio input 6. So when you give audio input 6, no need to give input from here. So we'll directly give input here. We'll solder this 3 wire over here. I'll just show you how to solder. So friends, I have already soldered. I'll just show you. See this one, this wire. Okay, so this we have given input audio input 6. So when you switch on Bluetooth, you should select from front audio input 6, then your Bluetooth will start working. So we have already soldered over here. So now we'll give connection everything and we'll check it on. Friends, we have already given connection everything. This is our supply line. We have taken from here. I have already shown you. This is supply and this is output from the Bluetooth is going to the audio input 6. So this is the input. So we have already shown you from inside it's coming. So this is ready. So our Bluetooth is ready. Okay guys, so we'll fix it on the we'll fix it on the top cover. So then we'll cover this one complete unit and we'll put it on. So friends, this device, Bluetooth device, will fix it over here, right? So we can see the Bluetooth light, correct? So we'll fix this. This will go here. This is positive supply. This is output to Bluetooth. So this is perfect now. So guys, now we'll fix it back. So guys, we have already fixed the Bluetooth over here. So we'll put it on now and we'll check. So it's on. So see here, I will show you. See this this is the Bluetooth clicking. So see, I have not given any input connection. All are empty, only two speaker wire I have given. So see, nothing, no input. So now we will search the Bluetooth. Just keep watching my video, I'll show you. See, this is now searching. See guys, we'll search in my Bluetooth. We'll put it on Bluetooth. So we'll search now. Wait. See, it is detected, this one. So it's connected. Connected, see. So we'll give the signal now. So it is connected already. So now we'll start. I will start the. See guys. See, I will put. Pause. See, there is no connection, no, without wire. So it's working on the Bluetooth. See. I will slow. So no wire, nothing. So it's working on the Bluetooth perfectly. See, working on the Bluetooth. Pause. So guys, it's working fine. See. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, if you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or any suggestion, please leave it in the comment box. Take care, bye bye, see you next video soon.